Okay, welcome back again. You'll recall that in part one, we were looking at building a view. So what we're going to do now is actually continue to build that view. Here's where we're up to before. So let's continue. All right. Now, I think what we might do is we might put an external blog in. Okay. Well, I'll put mine in this one. So we'll click External Feeds. You see your RSS icon there. So grab that and drag that down below the introduction. Okay, so we'll call it, I'll say this is my blog. Okie dokie. Now the feed location. What you need is an RSS or Atom feed. Okay, now the way to find that out is to use Google Reader. So what we'll do is we'll go up to Google Reader. Okay, and I've already opened Google Reader and found my blog, and you'll notice that that's my last posting there. Now if we go across to this side of the page, off to the right hand side, you can see click Show Details. Alrighty, now you can see the feed URL up here. So I'm going to copy that. Oops. Copy link. We'll try again. Copy link location, or you can just go Control C for copy. Okay, let's go back to where we were, and then I'll paste that in there. Paste. Bingo. So now we can actually show the feeds, the whole thing written in full, or we can just show the headings. I think that would overwhelm the blog, so I'm just going to show the actual headings. So I'm not going to click that. Click Save. And so let's scroll down and have a bit of a look here what we've got. And there you go. There's my professional blog and the first 10 postings of it. Cool. Okay, so let's see what else we can put in there. I think we might let's put an image in. So we go up to Files, Images and Videos and click on that tab. You'll notice we can also put an external video in, like a YouTube video, or we can embed a media file that we've already got loaded up into Mahara. But for today, I think I'll just put an image in. Okay. Now sometimes you can't go all the way down, but that's okay, you can rectify that later. So what we call this image, we'll call this Party. Maybe what we'll call is Family Party Time. Alright, so what have we got in here? You can see that down here that we've got a list of images that have been uploaded. So let's click on page 2. There's the fire pit, which we've used the profile icon. Let's click page 3. Oh, okay, lots of different bits and pieces there. Let's click page 4. There's a sunset there, so we might just go for that one there. Show description. No, I don't think we'll bother about that. And we can set the width. We might make that say 300 pixels wide. Save. And then we scroll down. Okay, it's a nice photo, but the title doesn't match. So we'll click this little cog button here, which is an edit button. So we'll call this Sunrise. This probably might be a sunset, I think, but we'll call it Sunrise instead. If you were including an image of you working, you might actually title it working with children or teaching in a remote community or something like that. Now you can see the sunrise sits up here above the professional blog. I actually don't like it there, so what I want to do is drag it down below in the professional blog. So just grab it, pull it, drop it, and there it is. Nice. Okay. So we can put some HTML files in. That's a bit of mucking around. You can download folders, or you can download files. We might actually put a file in there, I think. So we might like to include a file as evidence in our portfolio. So we might call this evidence. or something or other. It doesn't really matter. Actually, what we might do is say, we'll call it degree. Okay, so if we can find a picture of a degree. It's going to make it difficult for me. It's in there somewhere. What's that one? We'll try that one. Again, we'll scroll down. You can see that there's QCT registration, so I'll change that. I'll call that QTC registration. Okay, save, scroll down, and there it is. It's sitting at the top. Again, I don't want it up there. I want to pull that down, so I'll grab it and drop it down there, scroll down a bit, and then maybe drop it down below that again. Or maybe I could put it over there. I might put it over there. Okay, a bit, equal it up a little bit. Okay. So what we've got here now is we've got the profile information. We've got an introduction, be it ever so short, with a web link in there. If I click the web link, just to prove it is a web link, you can see that the CQ homepage opens up in a new window. Okay, so I'll go back to our view. I've got the first 10 postings of my professional blog. I put an image in, and over here we've got QCT registration. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is click Next. Alright, so this is Create a View Step 2, where you get to create the view title. But that's about the end of our this particular tutorial. We'll commence again with the next tutorial. See you soon. Bye.